guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys saw in the title, I will be preparing some curry chicken and rice and peas. So right now what you guys are seeing, I'm just prepping the potatoes, and then I'll be doing some carrots and stuff like that, and the other vegetables that I'll be putting into the curry chicken. So yeah, I'm just doing that right now. So while I'm doing that, you guys can just watch the process and see what I'm doing. Like I cut how small I cut the potatoes and stuff like that, but you could cut it to like whichever size you like. Just know that the smaller you cut it, the less potatoes you will have, because then it will break apart in the pot and dissolve with the gravy, which will cause the gravy to be thicker. So for persons who want like thicker gravy, you could do that. Or if you want like less thick, then you make the potatoes a little bit bigger, so they don't dissolve in the gravy and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just doing that right now. If you guys want to skip forward, you could also do that, and you'll see the rest of the process. Unfortunately for the rice and peas, when I was recording, I did not realize that the camera wasn't recording, so I didn't get to show you guys the process of how I season the pot for the rice and peas. But I'll just leave in the description, like the ingredients that you need and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. So right now, guys, I'm just cutting my onions, and I'm cutting it into small pieces, small cubes, so it's easier to. I just think it's personal preference. I just think the smaller you cut it, then the more it will dissolve in the gravy and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'll be cutting some scallion. In the US, I think they call it green onions. So yeah, so you just want to add some thyme to your pot also, so because I like the flavor that thyme gives to the curry, and that's how like almost every Jamaican that I know cook curry chicken with the thyme. So you want to do that, and then I add some sweet peppers, the green ones, and then there you have it. You have your potatoes, your carrots, your onion, green sweet pepper, and your thyme. So now let's just take a look at the rice pot. And again, I apologize that I didn't get to show you guys when I was seasoning the pot for the rice and peas. But yeah, I'm just adding the rice to the pot right now, to the seasoned pot. And then you're just you want to cover your pot and let it sit there. Keep it on high for a little bit, just until you start seeing the bubbles, the water start boiling. Then after maybe 3 minutes, you want to turn down your stove and just let it sit there and cook on its own. And then while that is cooking, I'm gonna get the meat ready and start the meat. So So over here we have our chicken. So it's a mixture of chicken thigh and chicken breast. Then you have your curry powder, you have your oil, you have water, and you have like your seasoning. So yeah, that's basically what you need for your curry chicken. So right now I'm just gonna add the oil to the pot and let it heat for a while. And you don't want to put like too much oil, because you're not trying to like fry the chicken, but you also don't want to put too little. So you just want to put like depending on like the amount of chicken you'll be using, you just want to like put at least maybe, well, it all depends on the pot too. So yeah, but you just don't want to put like too much oil in the pot. So right now I'm just testing the oil to see if it is hot enough, and once it is hot enough, you're just gonna go ahead and you don't want to make the oil too hot, because then you don't want to like get the curry all like burnt all the way, because then it's gonna have like a bitter taste. So you don't want to get it like too hot, and then you just apply your curry to the pot and burn your curry. That is very important. And then after you do that, you add your chicken. So as you guys can see right now, I've already burnt the curry and added the chicken. So I'm just trying to like get all the try to get like a little bit of the curry on all of the chicken before I add like the water, vegetables. So yeah, after you do that, you just add your vegetables. Then after you add your vegetables, you just want to put your water inside. Some persons put like all the water in the pot at once, which I will be doing, and then let it take its own little time and cook. While some persons go back now and then to add water. So it all depends on like what you feel comfortable in doing. Like for me, I feel like this one is easier, so I do it this way. And some persons also don't put like seasoning and stuff like that in it, but this is how I cook it. And also guys, you want to add it depends though, but I add like a little ginger. The fresh ginger is the best, but I use the ground ginger. So you could add a little, not a lot, just a little bit of ginger. And yeah, you just cover your pot and let it cook for, it will take like roughly maybe half an hour to cook. So yeah, you just want, and you make sure you look at your pot, don't keep the flame too high and stuff like that, and you should be good. And over here now, just taking a look at the rice, and as you can see, it's almost done. Well, you can say it's basically done. And just look at that, isn't that perfect? That's just one perfect pot of rice and peas. it's not burnt or anything. So yeah, you just want to fluff the rice a bit. So that's what I'm doing now. And then you're gonna turn your flame all the way down, put your cover back on top, and just let it sit there and let the steam do the rest of the work. Yes, so that's it for the rice. Look how beautiful it is. It's not like, all sticking together or anything like that. It's just perfect. Yeah. And the rice that I used was the brown rice. It's not the white rice. It's the brown rice, which is much healthier. So yeah. And yep, the curry chicken is done, and we have our rice over here. So yep, that's it. Perfect pot of rice and peas and some tasty curry chicken. How beautiful is that? And then here we have it on our plate, and I served the rice and peas and curry chicken with some 3-bean salad, as you can see on the right side of the plate. Those beans are the one that I showed you guys in my grocery haul. Yeah, they are sweet, like not too sweet, but they're really good. And then your nice 2 cups of rice in the middle, and then your curry chicken on the other side. It's just beautiful. So yep, that's it, guys. Oh, and for that little thing on the top, with the I made that from the tomatoes. So yep, that's it. You have your nice plate of curried chicken and rice and peas. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, feel free to leave it in the comment, or you guys can connect with me on my Instagram, which is JamilJ, or my Facebook, which is also JamilJ. So yep, thanks for watching, guys.